Welcome to another day of class. Today is Wednesday, August the 90th, 2020. And in our science class, we are going to continue learning about our body, about the health of our body. So let's continue talking about a balanced diet. So open your book on page 76, please. Open your science book on page 76. And you're going to find this topic, a balanced diet. Okay. So, yesterday we were talking about the types of food that we have, or the items food that we have. We have the builders, we have the, what else? Energetics, and we have the protectors. The builders, remember, are the ones that are in charge to strengthen our bones. Those are the builders. Then we have the energetic. Those are the ones who provide the necessary energy to play, run, and study. Yesterday we were talking about that. And the last group are the protectors. They are the ones who provide the vitamins and minerals to our body. So what we're going to do today is that we're going to learn about food manipulation. What is this part? This part is related to when we are going to eat. What do we practice at the moment to take the food and eat it in our mouths? So we're going, yesterday also, your homework was about the pyramid of food, and here I have it. So here on the first step we have fats and sugars. Here we have milk, yogurt, and cheese. And here on this side we have meat, chicken, eggs, and dried fruits. We have vegetables and fruits in a big portion, and here we have bread, rice, and pastas, and some cereal. So the most things that we need, the most important things are these ones, the cereals, the bread, the rice, and the pasta. Then the fruits and the vegetable. Then the milk and the yogurt and the cheese. Then we have the meat, the chicken, eggs, and the dried fruit. And the last thing that you need is the fats and sugars. So what you are going to do today is that you're going to copy in your notebook the proper way of food manipulation. So the first step that we are going to follow before to start with the food manipulation is wash your hands before cooking or eating. Wash your hands. Then wash fruits and vegetables with water and disinfectant is the number 2. Then the number 3, prepare and cook meat well. And the number 4, verify the expiration date on canned foods. So those are the steps in order to follow in a proper way of food manipulation. So we have to be extremely careful with the food that we eat. So copy this in your notebook, please. And that was everything for today's science class. I hope you are enjoying this topic, and I hope you are fine at home. I'm sending you a lot of hugs and kisses, and also blessings from the Lord for you and your family. See you until next class.